Hello everybody! This video is about how to reset Windows 10 if the system won't boot. Sometimes system files can become damaged for a number of reasons and the operating system stops working properly. To reset it, you need to create a recovery disk. You can do it beforehand on your computer or, if it is no longer possible, on another computer, but make sure you observe the system bitness. You can also use a setup disk or a flash drive with Windows 10 if you have them. In order to create a recovery disk, go to Control Panel, find the element Recovery, and click on Create a recovery drive. In the next window, you can check or uncheck the box Backup system files to the recovery drive. It requires much more free space on the flash drive, up to 8 GB, but it will be much easier to reset Windows 10 even if the internal recovery image was damaged and asks you to insert a disk containing missing files, because all the necessary files will already be stored on your drive. Click Next. And in the next window, choose the connected flash drive where a recovery drive will be created. All the data on such flash drive will be deleted in the process. Click Next again and wait for the recovery drive to be created. You can also use this flash drive to write your personal files and documents there, and it will not influence the recovery drive data in any way. Now you can reset your system even if Windows 10 won't boot. To do it, turn on a computer and go to BIOS or UEFI, usually by pressing Delete for most PCs or F2 for most laptops, and make your computer boot from the USB drive. In my case, it is the UEFI USB device. Press Enter and wait for the system to boot from the recovery drive. Choose the English language. Click on Troubleshoot and Reset. In the next window, you can save or delete your files, but your programs will be deleted in any case. For example, let us choose Keep My Files, and the target system should be Windows 10. After you have chosen the target system, the process of resetting Windows 10 begins. Thank you for your attention and good luck!